The Old Grey Cat. Music helps create a mood and tell a story. Listen to some music from The Old Grey Cat. Which picture matches the music? The music at the beginning sets a peaceful mood for the sleeping cat.
The old grey cat is sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. The old grey cat is sleeping in the house.
Which picture matches the music? Is it the cat or the mice? The music sets the mood for the sneaky mice.
The little mice are creeping, creeping, creeping. The little mice are creeping in the house.
The mice creep, they nibble, and they dance. The music sets the mood for the sneaky mice.
The little mice are creeping, creeping, creeping. The little mice are creeping in the house. The little mice are nibbling, nibbling, nibbling. The little mice are nibbling in the house. The little mice are dancing, dancing, dancing. The little mice are dancing in the house.
Which picture matches the music? Ooh, I hear sneaky. Now the music tells us that the cat is awake.
The old grey cat is creeping, creeping, creeping. The old grey cat is creeping in the house.
Which picture matches the music? Ooh. The music tells us the mice are running away.
The little mice are scampering, scampering, scampering. The little mice are scampering in the house.
Now, let's listen to the music and follow the story of the Old Grey Cat. I bet you've heard it enough that you can even sing along.
The old grey cat is sleeping, sleeping, sleeping. The old grey cat is sleeping in the house. The little mice are creeping, creeping, creeping. The little mice are creeping in the house. The little mice are nibbling, nibbling, nibbling. The little mice are scampering, scampering. The little mice are scampering in the house.
That song has a lot of fast and slow. We're going to be talking about fast and slow. Click to the next slide.